It's gonna be a family thing then. Huh?
Yep.
Don't look all awkward.
Oh man, Mia's in it.
You're in it completely. I
And
mean,
you're-
it's just the tip of your head, but you're there.
You're mean.
It's just the crown of your head there.
You're mean. Is it recording right now?
Yes.
Are you recording how mean Mom is being to me?
Quit being dramatic. Middle child. Silver play button. Took almost 4 years to get one. So
Took almost 4 months to
yeah, for it to come in.
put in 4 months.
Took 4 years to get it, give or take, just shy of 4 years on the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for the support and all the likes and the subscribes. We really appreciate it.
So we got more of our family members here today. Our youngest son is not here; he's at work. But this is our oldest son, Dylan. Our daughter, Mackenzie, the short one. Our sweet baby girl, Charlie, and our grandbaby, fur baby, Mia.
My baby.
Yes, fuzzy baby. She wants down. You ready? Huh?
I think so.
Are y'all
Do the
ready for
honors.
this?
The moment of truth.
Me?
Yep, you.
It's super cool.
Yep. That is awesome.
Check it out, guys.
Keep
You
it
know?
low, keep it low, keep it low.
It's a very
Put it down
earned
here.
mirror.
Yep.
Very earned mirror.
So you can probably see the camera in it that
Mhm.
way. Super cool.
Fancy, fancy.
You worked
Mia's
hard
like-
for it, baby. I'm proud of you.
Mia's like, the spot smells weird.
Toots, you want to see it?
Now where shall we hang it?
In the
I
studio.
I think in my room.
I don't know, it
so
needs
that
some
I can-
sawdust on it, don't you think?